And little dogs go. Some other dogs go. Cats and kittens say. The duck says. And the horse says. It's quiet now. What does Andrew say? You see a kitty? Where's the kitty at? What's the horse say? What about the duck? How about the pig? Oink, oink. The sheep? Not sure about those. How about the cow? Oh, that's a horse. Nay. What's the cow say? Say moo. Yeah, that's a good one.
Good job, buddy.
Good job.